Hi guys, Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. I got a 2008 Chevy Impala. I just scrolled through the menu using this. I'm going to be reprogramming a new remote. So you have to scroll through this button until you see press this to check to relearn remote. So we're going to press the check mark on the bottom here. Remote key learning active. I'm hitting the remote. It just beeped. I got another remote here. Hold on, it's in my pocket. I'm sitting in the car with the door unlocked and I'm hitting the lock button. And it learned them. That's it. Locks and opens. Locks and opens. I just tried both of the brand new remotes and they work, guys. And that is how you program a new remote on your 2008 Chevy Impala. Thanks for watching. Please give a like or subscribe. I'm putting some tools and supplies I use in the video description. I'm an Amazon affiliate. It helps support the channel. This goes to Wendy, but it's at no added cost to you. I thank you guys for supporting the channel. I thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. And guys, I hope the world starts looking more sane soon, because it definitely looks crazy now.